Hi there, it's Dr. Jonathan Zelkin here. Very important message today. A lot of times I'll discuss surgical procedures and cutting edge, news and things like that. But today I want to establish a rule because I didn't know this rule existed, but it really does. I'm going to set some framework here. Tattoo artists are called tattoo artists for a reason. Their work is art. They are passionate about what they do. Their canvas is the human body. They are accountable for their results. They stress out about their results. They think about it before and after the procedure is performed. It sounds a lot like what we do as plastic surgeons. Nobody needs a tattoo. Most people don't need plastic surgery. It is an artistic expression for us, the artisans, and it's an opportunity to look and feel better for the patients or clients, however you call them. So as a plastic surgeon or any surgeon, I'd like to tell you guys one important thing that I just learned today. I swear I just learned it. Do not mess with a tattoo under any circumstances without the express consent of a patient. And if you really want to go above and beyond, reach out to the tattoo artist, him or herself, and let them know that you will be employing their tattoo for scar camouflage or any other reason. In conclusion, tattoo is a form of art that is older than plastic surgery by eons. And it's become so sophisticated and elaborate that the work that I see is admirable, and I feel like I could see it in the walls of a museum. I happen to see it oftentimes on my own canvas, which is the human body. And I like to employ tattoos to hide scars. But the truth is, that's not appropriate. And I want every plastic surgeon or any other surgeon watching this video to take this to heart. You really should get the consent of a patient as well as a tattoo artist prior to doing any kind of defacing of their art with a form of a scalpel or any other procedure. Because tattoo art is so important to the artist that created it, and out of respect to that artist, leave it alone. I hope that somebody watching this video changes their patterns of practice, and I hope a patient who's watching this video may let a plastic surgeon know that this is somebody's art here. Please try your hardest to not interfere with it. And that way we're respecting each other as artists, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.